In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can add a text and also captions on your videos you're trying to edit on the Edit app by Instagram. It's simple and easy. So let's talk about adding a text first. I'm going to walk you guys through everything. So at the bottom corner of your screen, you can see audio there. After the audio, you can see text. Tap on that if you want to add a text. For that one, you can text everything or you can type everything you want on the video. So let me try, type in K brother. Good. So I type that and let me add this to make it a bit longer. With the font size, you can change the font size. You can see here. So let me make a signature. I think it's more stylish. You can make it bold. You can change the color to black. You see, you can change it to red. Go, you see the color changing. It's pink or whatever. Let me do it black so that we can see. And on the font size, let me make it a bit bold so you can see. Yeah, this is okay. And you can add animations here, just like CapCut. You see, when you add this, let me tap on that. You see, it's kind of jumping, doing those stuff. Yeah, so all these you can do something like that with it. If you want to make the size of your text bigger, you see there is something here on my screen. Let me drag it for you guys to see, so you can see the screen there. Yeah, making it big, making it small. At the left corner of your screen, you can see there is a slider there to make your text big. So that's it, simple. You see, it's been added here. So if you want to add it, I think at all the parts of the video, you just need to drag it, tap on that, drag it. Yeah, simple. So now let's come back and now let's try to add a caption. So the caption is going to auto-generate as the audio in the video, and it's going to overplay. After that, you can edit it. So now I tap on the caption here. The audio has been muted, sorry. So to add a caption, that's how it is. You just need to add it something like that. You tap on the captions there. After the voice, you tap on the caption. When you tap on the caption, it's going to auto-generate just like CapCut. Simple and easy. And you're good to go. So that's it on how you can add text and then add captions on your video. Generate captions on your video when you're editing on the Edit app. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll do well to give you guys an answer on that. So that's it for the video. Peace.